Vincent van Gogh never realized the impact that he was going to have on the world. In fact, a lot of the work he did inside the walls of a sanitarium, painting fields through the bars. Isn't that the question we all ask? Is what impact do we make? What impact have we delivered that justifies our existence? And I think we often look in the wrong place for that. It's fine where we look. We look for the big things that we've accomplished. But in fact, I think some of the little things probably make the biggest difference. I remember a time when I was at a gas station and it was late at night and everyone was crabby and the line was crabby and the people at the checkout line were crabby. And I decided to bring warmth and really pay respect to the person who checked me out. And I noticed that he seemed to feel better. And then he treated the person behind me in line better. And I just stood out there and watched. And every interaction for the next 5 minutes was more positive. So the bottom line is to really try to look at the little impacts that you make through the way you treat people and the way you communicate people. And that might do more good than the big differences that we make through our large accomplishments and our work. And it's the simplest, most inexpensive version of pay it forward that there could be. You just bring the warmth and the kindness into that interaction and let it play forward.